Hello you guys, Gamer here, and today I will be singing the song that everybody likes, Do You Want to Build a Snowman? It's going to be kind of a parody, and after that I will sing the real songs. Okay. Elsa is a real song. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you got away. We used to be best buddies, and now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman? Ride your bike around the hole. I think the company is overdue. I started talking to the picture on the wall. Hanging their dome. It gets a little lonely. You know, we dumpy room, we let the room. That's why I think the hours tick by. This one is going to be a parody. It's called, not Let It Burn, but, I'm going to be naming this parody, Fire Down. And it's going to be about, here's the first part. Do you want to burn some house down? Just let it go to flames. All I can feel is, okay. Hey. Do you want to build? Wait, restart. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'll do my next, but it's Treasure Girl Vlogs. I'll be joining her today. I am doing the karaoke. If you guys don't know, it's my tablet. Yeah, we did it to a little speaker, so yeah, we'll get back to it. Okay, let's get started. Go. I'll start it. So let me just start this. Oh crap. Then I'm gonna be doing. Wait. I'm gonna be doing. Do you want to go somewhere? Okay. Yeah, you guys can see Elsa. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, but you've gone away. We used to be best buddies. That's why I sing better. I wish you would tell me why. You want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman. Oh crap. She thinks it's soft. Oh my gosh, she keeps dropping it. Trying to place it somewhere. Try not to drop it. Okay, there we go. So here we go now. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, so here's the lights around the hall. I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the wall. Hanging the dome. It gets a little lonely. And the empty room, just watching the hours tick by. Do you want to burn some house down? Just let them burn to flames. All you can fear is the pain of the hotness in those houses.